Hey guys, we're out here at Miss ProCut She Shed, and we got a little exercise machine to put together and a mat to put down underneath of it. So we're going to do an unboxing and then an assembly. So Miss ProCut's going to go ahead and get the mat opened up and roll it out onto the floor. And now that gives us somewhere to work out at. And now we're going to do an unboxing of the upright row and ride exerciser. So now we're going to take a look at the instructions and get this thing put together. Okay, so now that Mrs. ProCut's got it all unboxed for us, we can go ahead and start assembly. And it comes with everything you need, just one Allen wrench and one double-sided box wrench. Let's get it together. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and get these feet on and then we'll be able to stand it up. It really is quite self-explanatory, guys. Once you get the legs on, stand her up. And you got your carriage bolt that goes through here to the seat pole. Put your pedals on left and right. On this one here, it notes there's an arrow sticker here and an arrow sticker here, and you want to make sure that you're putting them on the right way. Probably should have got some real tools to do this, but I wanted to go ahead and show you that you didn't need anything special to put this together. Anybody can do it. And it's got a little timer computer, comes with the battery. Pop the back off. Open up your battery. That's good to go, and it just slides on right there. So the only thing we got left to do is hook up the shock cords. Looks like you could set those at different rates. Depending on who's using the machine. It's got 3 bands, so you can hook up None, 1, 2, or 3, whatever you need. There you go. Job done. Your new exercise equipment is assembled and ready to enjoy. And this is not a Peloton commercial. I did not buy this for Mrs. ProCut. She bought it for herself. I did not tell her that she needed it. We're still in a happy wife, happy life situation over here on the Tennessee Tiny Homestead. Have a great day, guys. So I was telling you about these tension bands. So in this position, they're just stored down here. And then you'll notice underneath of the seat, you've got 3 more hooks here. So you can hook up 1, 2, or 3 of those tension bands to get yourself a little bit more resistance and a better workout. Alright, let's put these resistant bands on. I'm going for all 3 of them. And then I'm going to give her a shot here. See what we got. Whew! Quite a bit of tension with all 3 bands. I know, because my bad knee is screaming at me. Pretty interesting. Handlebars are completely adjustable, as is your seating position. Back might be a little bit better for taller people, and it goes plenty far forward too. Now Miss ProCut's a little bit shorter than me, and so I'm going to leave the seat right where it was. It's on the second hole in from the back. Drop this down to just 1 tension band. We'll get Miss ProCut out here to try it out and see what she thinks.